Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a 20x12 American Truxx 154 bomb in a chrome finish and a negative 44mm offset, and a 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tire. Now this is a 12.5 wide tire on a 12-inch wide wheel. You can see the face right here. It's nice polished chrome. It is a 12 wide tire, so you will get a stretch to your tire. If you don't want the stretch down to your rim and you want your tire to bulge out on the side, we would recommend getting a 10-inch wide 154 bomb by American Truxx. They make a 10 wide and a 12 wide. Great thing about these tires, these wheels actually, to seed the bead, it is a piece of cake. Probably one of the easiest 12 wide tire rims I have ever had to seed. I got the Cheetah Blaster, pops right up. These RT Country Hunters are a 12 ply, so it's great for 3/4 ton trucks like this 2016 F-250 that we're about to throw it on. Besides that, it's a piece of cake. They look great. It's gonna go on this Lariat F-250. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or send us an email. Or if you want to, shoot us a text or give us a call at 833-268-2577. If you want to order any of these parts, whether it's this wheel or tire or if it's a lift, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts sent over to you. Anyhow, I'm Michael with Central Alps. Have a great day.